Hey YouTube, it's Doug here from Bessie Custom Fab. If you're familiar with these dump trailers, you're familiar with guys dumping them with the gate back and tearing the hinges off, and that's what we've got today. This is an aluminum one. Stick around. Well, long time no see. I've been doing some aluminum work lately. I've been super busy. No time for you, tube. This is some stuff I've been working on. That's for a spray rig that I'm working on. You'll see all about it at some point in the future. Today I'm just fixing this trailer. When I fix these, I prefer to take the whole door right off and use a piece of ready rod, all thread, whatever you'd call it, threaded rod, long bolt with no head on it. Make up your own name, who cares? That way it keeps everything in line, and it looks like it's a mess right now. Well, it is. It was really a mess. I had to do some filling in here. We'll just get the brush on there and make it look not so terrible. Still have to grind all that off pretty much. That's just beefing up the strength. And then we'll go in and flip it over, weld the other side. Sometimes you're welding with a spool gun, you get lucky. Today I got lucky. I didn't even pile it up. And ran out of wire. I don't know where it is. Somewhere in those 3 inches is where the wire ended, and I didn't pile it up, so I've got some more wire that I picked up. Let's see. There it is. 030 aluminum 4043. Got a weird one here. Somebody gave me this one. Alcan. Wonder which side you open. Oh yeah, this side. It's pretty old. I haven't tried it yet. 030 alloy 33S. I can't seem to figure out what that stands for, whether it's 53, 56 or 43. What is this one again? 40, 43? I don't know. Yeah, 40, 43. I don't know what that 33S is. If anybody knows, tell me in the comments, because I'd like to use this. It's brand new, but who knows? Anyway, we're gonna weld this up, clean it up, put it back on. I'll be right back. Oh, and I'm gonna put more wire on too. Also, if you don't want to fuck around and try and get these nuts off for an hour, you can put a drill on the end and just do this. I wouldn't say I'm lazy, I'm just smart. It's getting warm down there though. We'll put a glove on. I wouldn't say I'm smart, just lazy. Nuts off. Rod out. Bah, quarter string. Let's put this bitch back together. Okay, and there it is. All back together. A fair bit had to be grind it off the inside. You have to clear it for the post there. But I've got enough. It goes in. Locks easy. Looks beautiful. opens. It's a little tight opening, but better to be tight than sloppy. I'm not going to make any comment on that comment because I'm talking about hinges. Anyway, would you look at that? What does that say? You know what that says? It's fucking bow time. Let's go. Hope you like it. Like my videos, subscribe. Bestie Custom Fab. Rock and roll.